Hey, welcome to another video on my channel, and my name's Tony. So what are we doing in this video, Rob?
Alright, we're going to try to attempt to take out a cast iron tub, which everyone knows how heavy they are. And start to rip apart the wall a little bit here and see what we got to get into.
Yeah, this is an old house. We have a really tight bathroom. The tub isn't even a full-size tub. It's pretty small. So we're going to try to get this tub out of here in one piece. So just kind of breaking away some of the tile away from the wall so we can attempt to get this tub out. If we can't get it out in one piece, we're probably going to have to break it apart. And if we need to do that, I'll show you what's involved with that. But before we begin, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so you get all the latest and greatest videos. So let's get going with Rob the Plumber. So one of the things that we're going to do is we're taking this vanity out of the place right here. It's old, it's crumbling down, we're redoing the bathroom, and we got to move this out of our way so we can attempt to roll this tub out of here. Alright, so we pulled this old rickety vanity out of there, and Rob, what do we find on the wall?
Well, the old days, they'd throw the old razors right in the wall because, you know, they didn't throw them out.
And there's a pile of them right there. So there's a pile of some old dude's razors on my wall. Who in their right mind thought this was a good idea to have one of those old medicine cabinets and throw all the razors behind them right down into the wall? But when you have an old house, this is what you're dealing with. Take all the sheetrock away from here.
We're getting there.
Yeah, it's slowly getting there. We're chiseling away the tile. Most of it just kind of crumbled out of the way. You can see the old 2x3s on the walls. They didn't even use 2x4s back then. So just got to continue to get some of the stuff out of the way so we can see if we can remove this old tub out of here. Alright, so we have a bunch of the floor ripped up in the area, a bunch of the wall taken out. So we're going to try to put a pry bar under there to see if we can lift the tub up. You think that'll do it?
I hope so.
Alright, so let's see if we can lift up on that thing. And then...
This thing's pretty damn heavy. Oh yeah, we're getting some.
Alright, so you may need a couple pry bars. We have like a subfloor in. So you have to get up and over the lip. So, I'm going to hop in here with you and see if we can budge this thing out of here. This thing's like an old... this thing's huge. Yeah, looks like we subfloor in too. After years of water and everything else.
Water gets down, gets under the floor, destroys everything.
Yep. Yeah, let's see if we can get this thing out of here.
Alright, but that'll come right out anyway, so.
Alright, so now what we need to do is go underneath and unhook the drain pipe from the tub so we can attempt to lift this thing up and out of there. So we're going to try to cut some of this old pipe out of the way. It'd be a lot easier. So we can cut it with a sawzall. So what we did is we were able to get a couple pieces of wood downstairs, pry up on the bottom of the tub from down below, and we wedged a couple of pieces of wood under it so we can try to lift this thing up and out. And so Rob's taking this old drain out, so we're going to push that old flow drain right out so it's not in our way when we flip the tub up, if we can flip it up. So what are we doing, Rob?
We are attempting to remove the cast iron tub, which you know how heavy it is.
Yep.
And I'm thinking about jacking it up and getting it up this way.
Right.
We're going to wedge against the wall. If we have to cut that out, we will.
Right.
But it's just going to be a pain in the butt.
Yeah, so,
see what happens.
So trying to utilize a couple of pieces of scrap wood we had kicking around the house. Like Rob said, this thing weighs a ton, so trying to get one corner of it up. You have an old heating element right on the side here, so try not to disturb that. So that's why we want to kind of tilt it up that way. And when we get this removed, we'll at some point replace that element with a brand new one. So let's see if we can get this thing up. Okay, so I had a 2-ton floor jack laying around in the garage. So actually we were able to sneak that under it, the base of it under there. So we use the jack to kind of lift it up a little higher so we're not killing ourselves too badly. We have like wood wedged and everything. You know, everybody's away from it, so you want to make sure your hand's nowhere near this thing. If it falls, it's going to injure somebody pretty bad. So we're trying to utilize this jack as much as we can. Try to be safe about it. So what we're doing is we had to raise the tub up some more. We were able to drive some wedges in there to keep the tub in place so we can readjust the 2-ton floor jack. So we're going to readjust this and keep pumping up with it. Alright, so now that we have the side in the air, what we're going to try to do is get under a corner of it and kind of teamwork it up on its end, and we can kind of walk it out of the house. So let's get this up over here. Alright.
Let's go watch out for that jack.
Yeah, we can.
Ready? Get that. Nice.
Alright.
Perfect. Now, you said you had a moving blanket, right?
Yeah, alright, let me, hold on a minute. Stuck on a piece
It's
of wood.
wedged on the window in that piece of wood. Alright.
There we go. Those muscles.
Because if we lay it down on the flat end,
Yeah.
go right out that way.
Alright, let me get my moving blanket, and we're gonna drag this to the house. But hey, this is all the fun we had for today, so...
We're having fun.
Yeah, you don't need to see us move this thing out of a cape, but this is what we're doing, and this is how we get this old cast iron tub out of here. What a pain. So if you have any questions, any comments, leave them, and we'll comment back, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.